Hello there, everyone. This is Tim from Second State. Given the recent news, there's been some articles around that the Ethereum blockchain is almost full. If you're an organization that wants to deploy a smart contract or a decentralized application, what we'd like to do today is provide you with a solution for this. And what we're going to do is we're going to deploy your Ethereum compatible smart contract and create your decentralized application on an Ethereum compatible blockchain, which is the Ethereum Classic blockchain. Just visit the Second State build site /etc. Here's a quick overview of the IDE. The Contract tab is where your Solidity source code resides. The DApp tab is where your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript reside. Transacting on the Ethereum Classic mainnet does require that you provide some value in the form of the Ethereum Classic network token. If you go over here to the accounts section in this build tool, you'll see that there's a list of accounts here. Now, these are generated automatically for you by the build tool. If you want to deploy something on the Ethereum Classic mainnet, you just need to send a very small amount of money to the default address here. And if you would like to email us, if you include this address, we can actually send you some Ethereum Classic mainnet tokens so that you can go ahead and deploy your smart contract from this default address in the build tool. We're going to compile this contract and then deploy that to the blockchain. So transaction has been sent, waiting for confirmation. So we have the transaction hash here, the address here. And then, so all that's left to do is head on over to the DApp tab and with one click, run. What that'll do is create the front end of your decentralized application. Now, obviously, this is a very simple example just for demonstration purposes, but we go ahead here and click the Set Data button. This actually calls the function of the smart contract, which will change the blockchain state. So we put in a fresh number there, click OK. Once again, transaction has been sent, waiting for confirmation. And again, this is just the waiting period of the standard block intervals for the Ethereum Classic blockchain. And we see there that that has succeeded. All right, so now the other JavaScript function here is to get the data. And as we can see here, we have the numbers 8888, which are now the numbers that are stored in that blockchain smart contract. All right, so that's about it. Very simple demonstration of how to deploy Ethereum compatible smart contract. Thanks for watching.